When embroidering with sequins, unlike with beads, we place only one sequin on the needle at a time unless we want to combine two. Unlike beads, we don't load as many sequins onto the needle as possible because they tend to stick together. We begin by making a knot and start embroidering from the side where we don't want to seem to be visible. This means we work from the outside towards the inside. Next, we lower the sequin, position it properly, and only then sew in its place. We will embroider in 3 rows, but will not stitch at the way to the end. Instead, we stop at the point where the next row needs to align. At this point, we make a fastening stitch and bring the needle back up. This helps secure the placement before continuing. When we reach the last row, it will cover all the previous seams, ensuring that no stitches are visible on the outside. Finally, in the narrow remaining gap, we placed a single 3 mm sequin. To complete the design, we finish with one 6 mm bronze colored picoun bead.